my vlog. Our vlog for today is pumpkin. Very cute pumpkin. This pumpkin from Korea. And this pumpkin very cute and small. And I'm just gonna remove that one. And then after that, I will remove the seeds. Very heavy, so let's see. Let me show you guys how to remove the seeds inside. Look at that. But I don't know what the idea this one for my boss. Just asking to remove only, and I do not cut it, so just only like that. But my boss do it, and then she asked me to, after that, remove the seeds, just leave it, and soon put it the cheese inside, and then put it inside the microwave. Let's see, guys. Just remove all the seeds inside, and my boss put the cheese inside, but I do not get the video because she quickly put the cheese inside and she put it in the microwave. So I'm just only show you guys after from the microwave what the result from this, what I am doing. So look at that. So nice, see. I'm just only follow what's the instruction. I remove all the seeds, see, finish. And here, guys, that's from microwave, and that's cheese inside and melting. And now I will cut it. My boss asked me to cut it, and then I will serve to her son from school. And this is for snack. And look at that. See? And lovely, so lovely. And he said very delicious. So let's try. Very cute pumpkin. I'm just only watching that cute pumpkin.